December 21st, Infinite Novelty. Crafting up codes, defining my reality. Never gonna finish writing, that is how my novel be. Action reaction, just a lot of causality. Infinite Novelty, December 21st. The start is the end, and the last is the first. You might catch me traveling through the past. It's a blast. I get nasty. Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst. Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst. Fuck you, I'm a gamma ray burst. I get nasty. I get nasty.
I'm theoretical like tachyon particles. I hit you with diamonds and leave you in sparkles. I'm a demon, I cackles. I'm gonna leave you in shackles. You can't play with my Tetris, you got nothing to stack with. You ain't playing no games, you just high on cracked wits. I ain't got time for fly subs, set up traps. You call yourself a runner, but you ain't running.
They say
no laps.
life is the lesson, so don't let make it a teacher. But there's no I'm a student when I'm really a preacher. I'm boosting up my signal, so my sound will reach you. From the top of your attic to the ground beneath you. In life after death, there might be no conquest. The challenge is now. There's no avoiding this test. In life after death, there might be no conquest. The challenge is now. There's no avoiding this test. I need some more time to write the rest of the story. I'll spare you the details. The process is boring.
If you can't code, your brain is going to explode, rot, corrode, erode, overload, like an electrode. Your whole mind explodes. That's been walking on how many years now on death row? All because you think it would be weird to command your console. So post-mortem, your family, I will console. Shortly before I devour they soul, and they brains and bodies I now's control because everyone's got that missing hole.
I only speak in whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan.
Cry louder, bitch.
Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan.
Cry louder, bitch.
Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan, and I can feel you quiver. Cry louder, bitch, I only speak in whispers. I see you moan.
Cry louder, bitch. Cry louder, bitch. Intellect.
Bullshit. Shoutouts to TFNet. Shoutouts to everyone who's ever doubted me. You're going down. Killing this shit every single fucking day. If you have a God, son, now is the time to pray. This isn't a game. I don't have time to play. Listen up closely, son. I have something to say. Sick of these fucking haters acting like they don't know what is up. I'm a bust a move, get into the groove. Gonna show you all what the fuck I'm made of. Motherfuckers come around me acting like they don't know what is up. Get into my brain, gonna feel the pain. Guess what time it is? Time to fuck you up.
Sick of these fucking haters acting like they don't know what is up. I'm a bust a move, get into the groove, gonna show you all what the fuck I'm made of. Motherfuckers coming around me acting like they don't know what the fuck is up. Get into my brain, gonna feel the pain. Guess what time it is? Time to fuck you up.
Hey yo, you ever heard about that evil dojo? I heard that dojo's run by a little get pimp with a limp though. A fucking slow poke shrimp sneaking creeping on that tiptoe when he is stoned in his home, when he is alone, when he's on that rap microphone. Hey yo, put your hands up if you're down with the sick flow. Hey yo, it's Dark Mage and this my evil dojo. Hey yo, looking for some money and some sick hoes. Hey yo, I'll teach you things that I bet you didn't even know. Hey yo, put your hands up if you're down with the sick flow. Hey yo, it's Dark Mage and this my evil dojo. Hey yo, looking for some money and some sick hoes. Hey yo, I'll teach you things that I bet you didn't even know.
Sick of these fucking haters acting like they don't know what is up. I'm a bust a move, get into the groove, gonna show you all what the fuck I'm made of. Motherfuckers coming around me acting like they don't know what the fuck is up. Get into my brain, gonna feel the pain. Guess what time it is? Time to fuck you up.
There's a lot of people out there talking shit today. Time to put everybody in their fucking place. Yeah. I feel this. Yeah. I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I don't give a shit. Throw you in a ditch, slit your fucking throat. Coming for your kids. Hey, I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. I need some fucking weed. I've got a fucking dream. Kill them fucking all. Now it is time to sleep. Load up my guns. My game number one. I'm flying so high, shoot straight for the sun. Load up my gun. My game number one. I'm flying so high, shoot straight for the sun. Hey, or the son of God, rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all, let God sort them out. Or the son of God, rise up to the top. Kill them fucking all, let God sort them out. No hesitation, I fuck with no patience. Fuck boys are just hating, can't fuck with no Satan. You think that I'm playing, this is my creation. In my space station, future just still waiting. Just blazing on haze, sing Amazing Grace. This is just a taste of what I'm pumping in your face. Sing a serenade, sharpen up my blades. Cut into you deep, life starts to fade. Yeah, it's video game time, bitches.
AfterTouchBeats.com.
The geeky one is here. The freaky one be near. Grab onto the wheel, try to steer. Do you know what I like to do when I get bored? Plug into my cord and destroy the head grave lord. Wielding my undead slayer plus 15 great sword. That costs more time, money, and energy than you can even afford. Don't ask me why I did it for the horde. I can tell that I made you a little bit butt sore. You're probably like, what's this old whitey dissing me for? I'm blocking his ass now, won't see him anymore. What's wrong, bitch? You looking kinda scared. I can tell you're still asleep, you ain't even prepared for internet hate. You can't equate why I dared. I'm a grand total summation of your worst nightmares. My magic points are full, so it's time to cast flare. For a moment you're blinded, you can't see past the glare. This reality space-time done been ripped, it begins to tear. I know you fucking shit yourself, better check your underwear. Do you like poop? Gross, you're a fecophiliac. Brown crap, nitty-gritty, half-digested shit is wet. I've said a bunch of fucked up shit, but talent you do not lack. This is just a public service announcement. White girl butt crack, oh shit. He gone and did it. He murdering everyone and he leaving no witness. This is just his flex, a test of genetic fitness. You think his shit is personal, but really it's just business. Now everyone's like, ooh, no he didn't. His disease is so strong, now even Apollo's got the sickness. Better hit the John before your draws get too messed. This is just a reminder of why I'm the motherfucking best. My life is RPG, max level, now I'm on a quest to put a rap game under extreme duress. Including you, Will, I can tell you're stressed. Afraid you will fall to my empirical conquest. Lord of the grave, well I'm lord of all space-time. Uber pirate, ninja wizard, lizard, criminal mastermind. Wanna be a bitch, then call me a bastard, fine. I've got a contract that I know you will definitely sign. Because you probably saw this coming, yeah, I'm fucking Satan. Pretty soon everyone around the world's gonna start hating. Because deep down you know what you equals masturbation. I'm just a mathematician and I form these equations. At you now with the sick flow. Y'all don't even know about the motherfucking code that I already wrote a long time ago. When I was stoned in my fucking home, tetragrammaton. When I'm in the zone, on the microphone. Y'all already know my motherfucking name. It's Dark Mage of Evil Dojo.